Now, in this present class, I will discuss first the entropy in terms of partition function. A state of the ensemble can be specified by stating the number of systems in each and every quantum states. Okay? For example, let me take energy of the state, this be E1, E2, E3 up to Ej, and occupation numbers being A1, A2, A3 up to Aj. That is, A1 is the occupation number in the state 1 with energy E1. A2 is the occupation number in the state 2 with energy E2. A3 is the occupation number in the state 3 with energy E3. And Aj is the occupation number in the state J with energy Ej. So this is the distribution. Okay? Now, the distribution of the systems. Now the above distribution is subject to the following restrictions. Now what are the restrictions? That is the fixed number of systems in the ensemble. A, this is equal to sigma J Aj. So this is the total number of systems in the ensemble. This is equal to sigma J Aj. This is fixed. So total number of systems in the ensemble is fixed. Secondly, the fixed energy of isolated ensemble. That is, the total energy of the isolated system is also fixed. So this total energy E is equals to sigma Aj Ej. So these are the two restrictions. The total energy is constant and the total number of systems in the ensemble is constant. Now, the number of ways of realizing a particular distribution of A distinguishable systems over the available energy state is given by W equals to factorial A, factorial A1, factorial A2, factorial A3, factorial up to factorial Aj. So we can write this W equals to factorial A. This is the product of A1, A2, A3 up to Aj. That is J, Aj factorial. So this is the number of ways of realizing a particular distribution of A distinguishable systems over the available energy state. The same expression we got in deriving the Boltzmann distribution function, where the distinguishable particles were distributed in different energy levels. Okay? Now we can derive an expression for the entropy in terms of the system partition function Q n V beta. So here we will derive an expression for the entropy in terms of partition function. That is the Q n V beta. Q n V beta is the partition function of the system. Now we know energy of a macroscopic system, this is equals to U equals to kT squared del ln Q del V at constant Nt. This is equals to minus del ln Q del beta at constant Nt. Now this is the energy of a macroscopic system, which is equal to the average energy of the ensemble as well. So again we know the P, this pressure P, this is equals to kT del ln Q del V at constant Nt. We have derived this equation in our earlier classes. Both these equations. We have derived both these expressions in our earlier classes. That is for the energy as well as for the pressure. Now, entropy of the ensemble, this is equals to K ln W. Entropy of the ensemble equals to K ln W. So, entropy of the ensemble, this is equals to K ln. So, we will take the logarithm of this expression. This is equal to this much. You just see this is equal to K ln factorial A minus K sigma j ln aj. So we can write this equals to k ln k a ln a minus a. So if we use the Stirling approximation, we will get like this: k a ln a minus k j sigma j aj ln aj plus k. Okay, so this is equals to this much. Okay, now this k ln a ln a minus k sigma j aj ln aj plus k sigma aj equals to a. So this equals to this ka and this ka, this ka, this ka and this ka cancel each other. So we get that ka ln a minus k sigma j aj ln aj. Okay, so all these are the mathematical manipulations. Okay, now S ensemble is the entropy of the entire ensemble of A system. So this S ensemble is the entropy of the entire ensemble of A systems. Now the entropy of a system is given by, therefore, S system. This must be equals to S ensemble by A, where A is the total number of systems in the ensemble. Now the probability of finding a system in the jth quantum state is given by Pj equals to Aj by A. We have already derived this expression for the probability. So S ensemble will become k ln A minus k Pj A ln Pj A. We will put the value of Aj. We'll put the value of Aj and Aj in this equation form in terms of probability. Okay, so this is equals to k a ln a minus k sigma j pj a ln pj. Okay, minus k sigma j pj ln a. Again, sigma pj a ln a, we can write, this is constant, a is constant, so a ln a sigma pj, this is equals to a ln a, because sigma j pj equals to 1. Sum of all the probabilities equals to 1. So n ensemble becomes S ensemble, this is equals to minus k sigma j pj a ln pj. So this is equals to minus k a, this k is constant, pj ln pj. Hence S system, this is equals to S ensemble by A. We have already S system is to S ensemble by A. So this is equals to minus k sigma pj ln pj. So this is the entropy of the system in terms of probability, minus k sigma j pj ln pj. If all the pj's are 0 except for 1, which must be equal unity, because sigma pj equals to 1. The system is completely ordered. See, all the pj's are 0 except 1. Okay, so all the probabilities are 0 except 1. The system is completely ordered, that is sigma pj equals to 1. Okay, and S equals to 0. Hence, according to the molecular picture of entropy, for a perfectly ordered system, S equals to 0. This is the third law of thermodynamics. So, I repeat, if all the pj's are equal 0, except for 1, the system is completely ordered and S equals to 0, because which must be equals to unity, because sigma pj equals to 1. Okay. Now to derive an expression for S in terms of q n vt, we substitute pj n v beta, this is equals to e to the power minus beta ej n v by Q NV beta. So this is the expression for the probability. Now, S equals to minus K J Pj ln Pj. We have already derived S equals to minus K J minus K sigma J Pj ln Pj. So we put the value here. So this is equals to K J e to the power minus beta Aj by Q into minus beta Aj minus ln Q. Okay. So this is equals to beta K, you just simplify this, beta K sigma J Ej e to the power minus beta Ej by Q plus K ln Q by Q sigma e to the power minus beta Ej. Here it J will be here. Okay. Now this is Q, this is also Q. This is Q, this is also Q. So this cancels each other. So we get, if you take K as common, then beta, this is the average energy plus ln Q. So this is the expression S equals to K within bracket beta average energy plus ln Q. Alternately, we can reach the equation as follows. Now the probability that the system in a state S with energy Es is given by Ps, because e to the power minus beta S by Q. Therefore, Ps into Q e to the power minus beta into S. But ln Ps Q equals to minus beta into S. Therefore, Es is to minus 1 upon beta ln Q Ps. Now, average energy E equals to S. So, sum of all states S, Ps into Es. So, if we multiply by beta on both sides, then beta average energy equals to beta into S sigma Ps Es minus Ps ln QPS, because beta Es equals to QPS. So, this is the ln QPS. Okay. Es equals to, so beta, you just put the value here, is ln QPS. So, this is equals to minus sigma Ps ln Q minus sigma Ps ln Ps. So, this is equals to minus ln Q minus Ps ln Ps, because sigma Ps equals to 1. Here sigma Ps equals to 1. So, we get this equals to minus ln Q minus ln sigma minus sigma Ps ln Ps. Okay. Here S will be there. Okay. Here also be S and also be S. Okay. S should be there. So we get minus sigma Ps ln equals to beta average energy plus ln Q. Or we can write K within bracket minus sigma Ps ln Ps equals to K within bracket beta average energy plus ln Q. Therefore, S equals to beta average energy plus ln Q. Since S equals to minus K Ps ln Ps. So this equals to S. Okay. Okay. Now, we may write S equals to average energy by T plus K ln Q. Okay. Okay. This is equals to U by T plus K ln Q, because average energy equals to energy of the macroscopic system. So we can write S equals to U by T plus K ln Q. Now, since this value is average energy equals to U equals to KT squared d ln Q del T at constant in B, we write S equals to U by T plus K ln Q. This is the equation. Okay. Now, Q equals to Q to the power n by factorial n for independent indistinguishable particles. If we take the independent indistinguishable particles as case of ideal gases, then Q equals to Q to the power n by factorial n. So ln Q, n ln Q minus ln n factorial, we using the Stirling approximation here. This n ln q minus n ln n plus n. So this is to n ln q minus n ln n minus n. This is s equals to u by t plus n ln q minus this and this. Okay. Now for n moles, n equals to n into Na. Therefore s becomes to u by t plus, you just put the value here, n Na k ln q minus, put the value here also, n Na k ln n Na minus small n capital Na into q. This is 3 by 2t nRT. Okay, 3 by 2t nRT plus nr. You just simplify this because Na into k r equals to r. Now for a monoatomic ideal gas molecule in a slowest electronic state, we get q equals to qt. This equals to 2 pi mkt by a square whole to the power 3 by 2 into v, where qt is the translational partition function. Therefore s equals to 3 by 2 nr plus nr ln 2 pi mkt by a square whole to the power 3 by 2 into v minus a ln n na plus 1. This equals to nr. If we take nr as a common term, then this equals to 5 by 2 plus ln this and this much. So nr equals to ln e to the power 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2 ln 2 pi mkt by a square plus ln v by n na, where n is the Avogadro number. So this becomes to nr ln this much. Now this equation is known as Secourt-Tetrode equation. Now for distinguishable particles, q equals to q to the power n. So if we put the value of ln q here, and likewise, that is only translational degrees of freedom has been taken into consideration here also. Here also only the translational degrees of freedom has been taken into consideration. So doing all the mathematical now, del ln q del t at constant v equals to 3n by 2 as t. So doing all the mathematical manipulations, we get s equals to nk ln v plus 3 by 2 nk within bracket 1 plus ln 2 pi mkt by a square. So this is the expression for the Secourt-Tetrode equation for distinguishable particles. So this is nothing but the expression for the entropy for the distinguishable particles. Now we will describe the molecular interpretation S equals to K ln W, which is analogous to the thermodynamic formula ds equals to dq del q reversible by T. Now this formula S equals to K ln W is analogous to the formula ds equals to del q reversible by T. Now we know S ensemble, this equals to K ln W. This equals to K ln factorial A. This is the expression for the W. Okay. So S system is S ensemble by A. This is the ensemble, this is the total number of systems in the ensemble. So this equals to minus K J Pj ln Pj minus K sigma J Pj ln Pj. Now ds. So ds equals to, if we take differentiation, ds equals to minus K sigma J, so within bracket it will be dpj plus ln pj dpj. Now sigma j dpj equals to 0 because sigma pj equals to 1. Okay. So ds equals to minus kj minus k sigma j ln pj dpj. Now we know pj equals to e to the power minus beta aj into v by q. So this is the expression for the probability. So ln pj equals to minus beta ej nb minus ln q. Okay. So ds equals to, this expression becomes to minus k sigma j within bracket minus beta ej nb minus ln q dpj. Again ln q dpj can be written as, since q is constant, so this is equals to ln q sigma dpj. This equals to 0 because dpj equals to 0. Okay. Sigma dpj equals to 0. Therefore ds becomes equals to bk sigma j ej nb dpj nb beta. Now sigma Ej Nb dPj Nb beta is the energy as heat that a system gains or loses in a reversible process. We have already explained this in our earlier class. Now this is the this function Ej Nb beta dPj Nb beta Ej Nb dPj Nb beta sigma is the average, is the energy as heat that a system gains or loses in a reversible process. So we get ds equals to bk del q reversible. Now bk is an integrating factor of del q reversible. Now bk equals to 1 upon t, bk equals to 1 upon t. Thus ds equals to del q reversible by t. So we could reach this equation to ds equals to del q reversible by t from the expression k s equals to k ln w. Okay. Now we will discuss a problem here. Okay. Now obtain the expression for the equation of state associated with the partition function q n v beta equals to 1 upon n factorial twice pi m a square beta whole to the power 3 by 2 v minus n b whole to the power n e to the power beta a n square by v, where a and b are constant. Identify the equation of state. Now we have to find out the expression. We have to find out the expression for the equation of state associated with the partition function q equals to nb beta, which is like this. So this is the expression for the partition function. Now if we take logarithm ln q, this becomes equals to n ln b minus nb plus beta a n square b by b plus terms involving n and beta. So other terms will be involve only n and beta. Now differentiating this with b at constant n and beta, we get del n q del b at constant n beta equals to n divided by b minus nb minus beta a n square by b square. Now multiplying both sides of the equation by kt, both sides of the equation by kt, we get kt del n q del b at constant n beta equals to nkt v minus nb minus a n square by b square, since beta equals to 1 upon kt. So p equals to nkt into v minus n beta minus a n square by b square. So p plus a n